On August 8, 2024, officers responded to a call of a woman refusing to leave a residence she was evicted from.
Recording.
Hi. How's it going, Sally?
Oh, it's a fun day, sir.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't know why he's here. And could you please get my sister? And could you please? I know where my mother is all the time. But every time I go anywhere to get a response to anything, I walked literally to Berea. I walked through Berea, even around through Berea, took the bus over there to get there. No, sorry, the judge is not there, and sorry, I don't know the name of the lawyer. Nothing came on my phone for another date.
Where can I give you a ride to?
I don't need a ride, sir. I'm staying right here. If this gentleman needs to get in the house, I don't know what he's going to do in there. It's none of his property anyway, but, you know, that's
Sally,
the way it goes. I know this is my house. I know the things that are in there, and every time you come here and you take something out, I have no idea where it goes.
Okay.
And that's not fair to me, and it's not fair to my mother.
All right, calm down, dear.
I don't need to calm down because you keep asking me the same questions. Why am I here?
34, you want to swing
And
down
where
here?
are my dogs? I don't need to calm down. Did you want to go through my things? Do you want to find the things that they want from me? What is it that they want? These are the keys to the storage locker. Do I need to go there? The keys to the house. I should have the keys to the house.
You don't live here anymore, Sally.
I do live here, sir. If you need to put me on a damn mat down on pain and fucking crap ass 20 seconds, then bring me back every day.
Do you remember you got evicted from here?
No, I didn't get evicted from here. You kindly decided that that's where I needed to go, and then you kindly decided that that's where you chose to put me.
Well, it was Berea Court decided that.
Oh, well, where's Berea Court now? Could the judge please come down right this fucking minute? Because when I nicely walked all the way over there, and took a bus and took a train and everything else, nobody can help you. You got to talk to the clerk of courts. I don't have a paper. Well, you know what? The paper is probably in the damn fucking crap ass locker that they make you stuff everything into. It's ridiculous. Oh no, but don't go down there again. Why? What is he here for? All he has to do is answer the question every single time he comes here. All he has to do is tell me what he's going to do. I am not an evicted person.
You are
I
evicted.
am not going to hurt you. I'm not going to destroy you. Nothing is going to happen to me, but you keep telling me that I have to leave. I am not leaving.
Sally, you have to leave.
No! It's a simple no! You need me to be here, I am here.
Sally, I want to help.
I don't know who you are, and I don't care who you are. I know who I am, and I know what's in this house. There's no drugs in it. You just keep destroying everything that is ours. For what reason? I can shout even louder if you'd like me to. It's making me mad to think that somebody just decides that, oh, well, everybody needs to move out of the house. That's not even theirs.
Well, a judge said you had to move out of the house.
No, the judge didn't say I had to move out of the house.
Remember,
the judge had nothing to do with it. Could you please call Scott Kilbane and ask him to come down?
Do you remember we came out here with an eviction notice?
You put an eviction notice on the door, then I was sitting there, you dragged me or whatever you did, took me to the police station. I stayed there 2 nights. You did a video on a damn fucking crap ass thing. You never took me to see my mother. I walked up there to see my mother. She told me I couldn't even see my mother.
Well, you act up.
Okay, I didn't anticipate anything.
Sally, you act up when you go there.
I'm not acting up. Excuse me. Please
When you
stop doing this to me.
All right.
No, thank you. And if you want to find a freaking crap-ass child that's lost, I would have helped you look for it. I've been on that fucking rapid and on that goddamn fucking crap-ass bus. All you had to do was call. I didn't see any children that needed to be taken care of.
Sally, you're not acting rational.
Stop! I don't need to be acting rational. Just open the door. Can I go through there? I know where the laundry room is. I know every inch of this house.
I know. You can't go in the house, Sally.
Okay, fine.
I think you should go talk to somebody at the hospital.
No!
At Southwest.
No! I've already walked to Southwest. I walked there yesterday.
Well, we can give you a ride today.
I don't want to ride there. I want to see my mother. I want to talk to the damn fucking judge. And I want to see where my sister is. Because this is ridiculous to have me running around all town trying to find something that doesn't even exist. Great. If you want to go down to fucking pain and goddamn other.
Sally, the fact remains you can't be here.
Yes, I can be here,
You
sir.
can't.
Yes,
A
I
judge
can.
said you can't.
Excuse me, I'm not touching you in any way.
I understand that.
Sally, listen to me.
I'm
Just a
listening to
second.
you very closely,
My-
very
Listen to
distinctly.
me.
You speak perfectly.
Okay. But
What is it that you want
Carrie,
me to do?
listen to me.
I'm
Stop
listening.
talking.
Then go ahead.
You're carrying on. People are trying to enjoy their nice sunny Saturday.
Okay,
You need to take it down a notch and listen.
Any of them? No,
Okay.
not until you showed up.
Okay?
I know who my neighbors are.
You are not allowed to be here. Okay? It's that simple. You are not allowed to be here.
That's not true. That's not true.
Where can we take you?
No, you're not taking me anywhere. Because every time you take me right there, you just leave me there. And that is so insulting. I know my parents. I know where my parents are. My father's dead and my mother's at all time. I know where my sisters are.
Sally, you need help.
I don't
You
need
need
your
to talk
help.
to a professional.
I just need you to open the door.
No, I think
We're
you
not
need.
opening the door. You're not going inside. You're not allowed to be here. Okay?
And all the things that were on the wall and all the beautiful things, where are they? You have no idea because you weren't in charge of
Wendy is dealing with all that.
them. No, Wendy's not dealing with anything. If Wendy was dealing with it, where is she?
I don't know.
I'm not getting up off the floor to do it, and I'm not going to sit around on a damn fucking crap-ass mat all day to worry about it.
Listen, you knew.
I know who I am, and I know where I live, and you decided to change the lock on
Acting
the
like
door.
this is not going to get
That's
anywhere.
fine. I'm happy for it. I've already seen Bert.
Okay.
I've already seen Ralph. I've already seen the baby deer. This neighborhood is beautiful, and I certainly don't need you to tell me that what kind of neighborhood
so-
it is. And I certainly don't need to be going down to a damn fucking crap-ass women's shelter every night to be told, oh my God, you have to be here at 10 o'clock. I did my best to be there at 10 o'clock. With the resources I had, I got there. Oh, okay. So now we have to fight about who's going to sleep where and whose butt's going to talk to whose butt and who's going to do this and who's going to do that. Listen to me. I did what I was supposed to do.
And that's
I
fine.
went down there. I don't feel that they're helping me in any way. Oh, okay, a GYN appointment? Oh, yeah, I'll get all the way over to Parma, but you'll park a freaking crap-ass Metro bus in the front, and you're not helping me in any
fact of
way.
the matter
I
is-
know where I live, and I live right here.
You don't, actually. You don't live here.
That's okay,
That's-
sir. That's
so
okay.
what are we going to do?
No, I'm not going
You have to
anywhere.
leave.
I am not going anywhere.
And then they would help you with
No.
arrangements.
Sally,
I walked to the hospital, sir, yesterday.
Sally, jail or you got the property.
Neither.
All right, come on, step up.
Neither. I'm not leaving the property, sir. I am not leaving this property.
All right, come on, Sally.
No,
You're
sir,
under arrest for
please.
criminal trespassing.
I am not criminally trespassing
You
the
are.
place that I live in. Please stop doing that. Stop.
Come on,
Stand up. Sally,
Sally,
Stop.
stop.
Oh, I know. You do this all
You
the
wanna
time.
connect these?
Stop
There.
doing it. You're hurting me.
Put your
I can
arm-
hurt myself just as well.
Put your
no.
back. Put your
No.
back.
No.
Sally.
Stop.
Don't do this.
Come on.
Please don't do this to me. I've asked you not to do it. I've asked you not to do it nicely.
Okay, well, we've
Stop.
asked you to get up and leave, and you're not.
No.
We have no
have to-
choice, Sally.
No.
We have no choice.
No,
Okay.
I'm not. No.
Come
No. No.
Sally,
No. 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 No.
Stop.
Well, if you
Stop.
you got the other
yeah,
one.
yeah, connect them.
Sally,
Connect
stop.
them.
Stop pulling your arm.
Stop! My arms are together as far as they're gonna be!
Okay, well, relax. Stop.
Get away from me! God, no!
I got two of them.
We got two back here.
Stop! No! Stop! Oh, great!
There's a little,
Oh,
it's the old school.
Well, stop
Fighting. Stop
fighting.
tensing up.
Oh,
Stop
yeah, I'm
tensing up,
tensing up. I'm tensing
You
up.
are.
I'm so
You are.
tense.
Take it easy,
Oh, just
Sally.
take your hands off of me. I'm not gonna do anything.
Sorry,
Stop
it's
it.
the old school one.
Don't!
I got you. I got you.
Stop
Towards you.
doing it! Ah, for God's sake, that hurts!
All right, we're
Okay,
done.
no, stop. You're putting undue pressure on it yourself. You got two pairs of cuffs back here. There's plenty of
For
room.
what? No, I'm not.
walking.
No! 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 Stop it! Stop! Just stop the fucking floor!
All right, walk. Take it easy.
Car right here.
Be a lady.
Let
Just
me
take it
walk.
easy.
Take
Walk.
your hands. I
I'm
can
not
walk.
taking my hand away. Walk.
What are you gonna do with
Walk.
my things so they
We're
can
bringing them
pull
with
in.
We're gonna bring him back.
You're gonna have them with you.
Oh, just like you did the last time.
Yes.
Please stop doing.
Come
Why
on.
can't I go in the garage?
You can't, because you're not allowed to be here.
That's bullshit.
We've explained
Come
it.
on.
That's bullshit.
Come on,
Just,
walk,
Stop.
walk.
Just stop.
Walk.
I
No.
can't stop.
But you're not walking.
No.
Walk.
God damn you.
Walk.
God damn you.
Walk.
Oh, that's walking.
Now gently sit
No,
down. Sit down.
just wait. Just
I don't want you to hit your head or
No,
anything.
I won't. Just turn this so it's not grabbing my ankle. Stop.
Yeah, just
It's that simple.
turn your back. Turn around. Turn your back to the thing.
Sit down.
Gently
There you go.
and gently back up.
I just ask you what to do. Stop.
Sally, we
Just
tried.
stop.
We tried.
Yeah, you tried so hard to get me off the freaking crap-ass property that you guys don't even own.
Sit back.
I'm gonna kill
I can
John,
tell
you know
what
that,
each
right?
one of those are.
Sit back.
The woman was charged with criminal trespassing and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more of our content.